Today I'm going to bring to you a recipe that is near and dear to my heart. It involves pork short ribs, a slow cooker, and a whole bunch of seasonings and spices to make up your own scratch-made barbecue sauce right at home. So what I'm going to do first is portion off our ribs and throw them into our slow cooker. Usually I do about 2 to 3 ribs per section. So now we're at step 2 of our recipe, and that's combining all of our spices, our herbs, and everything else that's going to go into the flavoring of our ribs. My BFF in the kitchen is my food processor. Everything is going to go in there, so there's no real mess and there's not a lot of cutting or chopping to do. For this, I'm going to cut up 2 onions and just throw them into the food processor. All right, here's my second onion going in. Next thing to go in is half a cup brown sugar, half a cup of crushed tomato, half a cup of just white vinegar, a red pepper. For a little heat, 1 jalapeno pepper will go in, 1 carrot, just coarsely chopped up. You don't even have to peel it. And what this will do is add a certain sweetness to this sauce. About 4 or 5 tablespoons of wash your sister sauce. That will go in. A tablespoon of minced garlic or so. Half a cup of red wine. Any wine you drink, you can use. Goes in just like that. Throw in a little fresh cracked black pepper, a tablespoon of dried Greek oregano goes in, about a tablespoon of salt. It's not a lot because you're seasoning quite a bit of meat. Chili powder, a tablespoon goes in or so. What goes perfect with pork? Dried rosemary. This you can do 2 tablespoons. It actually works out amazing. The flavor profile is really, really nice. And 2 tablespoons of paprika. I use the smoky paprika. You can use sweet, you can use whatever you like. It's totally cool. So now we have all our ingredients in the food processor. Just buzz this up. You don't want to go too fine. You want a little bit of body or a little bit of texture in this. So just pulse it. And that's perfect right there. Oh, wow. Always try tasting this. This has like major. Look at that. Next, we're going to pop this into the base of our slow cooker and let it go for 6 to 8 hours. And when it's ready, I'll be back and I'll show you how fall off the bone tender these are. All right, so now we're about 8.5 hours older. My ribs are done. They're ready to go. I'm really excited and really looking forward to showing you guys how this turned out. So let's check this. Whoa. This is awesome. I'm just going to leave this here for now. And this, if you could only smell this, amazing. I don't even know what to tell you. I don't even know what to say. This looks so unbelievably good. I'm going to actually start plating these up slowly. Actually plattering these things up. And look at that. It's all just falling off the bone. Our ribs are done to perfection. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna serve these up family style, platter style, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about in terms of all of these just falling off the bone. Look at this. This meat just literally shreds right off the bone. All right, I'm just gonna set these off to the side here, and we'll grab a fork and I'll try and describe to you how good this is. If you see this, the meat literally just falls literally right off the bone. This is really hot as well, so all the flavors are perfectly balanced. You have the vinegar and the acidity, the brown sugar and the sweet, the onions, the garlic, all the spices that went into this. You don't even have to chew these things. These ribs are just so soft, they literally just dissolve in your mouth. So I hope you really enjoyed this episode. I know I did. I had a lot of fun making these for you. Very easy to make. If you like this video, which I hope you do, please hit the thumbs up and the like. Subscribe. Love getting new subscribers. Love hearing from you. Your comments, suggestions, feedback excite me. So until next time, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.